we are starting TCP, no longer HTTP, right? So what I would do is that I need to filter out all the packets. So I'll put a filter TCP here. Then I'll apply. Then I'll try to capture, right? So capture a packet. So I set the field here. So you can look at the is that I will try to capture the packet coming to my Ethernet port. So I choose the broadband gigabit Ethernet driver. So I say start. So I'll continue without saving. And I only capture the traffic, TCP traffic between my machine to another machine. So I won't like overhear other interaction. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that, yeah, I need a. Hope you still remember the bill of rights. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that download this file. Let me stop this, get rid of something that is not related. Okay. In order to generate a TCP connection and also some flow over the TCP, I use HTTP, right? HTTP is running on top of TCP. What I need to do is essentially I reload. Reload essentially will issue a HTTP GET command to the server. Server will send me the content of your rights. So let me do it. Okay. Then let's stop it. Okay, so I stop it because I don't want to add additional TCP flow because for like Firefox or IE, they probably will do periodic refresh, and sometimes you get another HTTP GET. Okay, so the first thing I want to show is that what is the TCP? I already showed the TCP header, right? So let's just look at the one TCP data. The first thing that you, again, you need to understand the concept of encapsulation. Frame, starting from frame, that's the Ethernet frame. Starting the Ethernet is an Ethernet frame and put into IP packet. So IP packet. And then TCP is within the IP packet. So that's how we encapsulate the data. Then for now, we only need to look at the transport layer, right? And the transport layer, then there are a couple of information we already studied, that like source port. Because I'm the client, so the source port is a source port I choose randomly. And because it's HTTP, it means that the server destination port is 80, right? And then sequence number 1. So sequence number indicates that's the first byte I send to the server. Index is 1. Yeah. So of course, right? So and also the acknowledgement number is that I expect that the next byte sent from the server to me is 1. I never receive any byte, so that's starting from 1. Okay, and it indicates length of 20 bytes, so there's no option field, and then it's a blank. It's acknowledgement, so indicates that it should be the second packet within the sentence, and also the checksum, right? Checksum is indicate whether the packet sent is correct or not. Okay, so these are the flag field. Then what I'm going to show is to do look at the sequence of the packets that we receive. So let's look at the way how TCP make connection between the sender and receiver. So if you still remember the HTTP connection, HTTP will starting will establish connection, then send the data, right? Especially the HTTP 1.1 as we establish TCP connection. So then you look at the first three packets. The first packet has a flag indicated as a synchronization. So the first packet will be synchronization. I send to the server, say, I want to establish connection. And the server tells me, so you can look at the direction. This is a live line to HTTP. This indicates my machine to the server in the department. Then the server tells me, okay, and I agree, and I accept your connection, I acknowledge. So remember, there's a couple of fields you need to understand. First, the name is 0. When you establish connection, you don't send data. Right? So it's just hi. This is just only the purpose to establish connection. So name is 0. And the other field you need to understand is the MSS. It's the maximum size, segment size. When you send the TCP segment, because of the constraints in the lower level implementation, like data link layer, there's a specification how big the segment you can send. So the maximum size is 1,260 bytes. Okay, so the second packet is from server to my machine now. It says that, okay, segment number 1. So I do not send any data, but I expect you send me the first byte of data. Remember the first packet, when you do connection, there's no data, then it's 0. So then server will say, okay, send me first byte. And in this case, it's a three-way handshaking. And then I will say, okay, I receive your async message. Then I tell you, okay, the connection should be established. So TCP connection is three-way handshaking. Okay? Without, you can see, in this case, length 0, length 0, length 0, right? And then actually they negotiate what's the maximum